Welcome back, family. This is Kiara's Investment. Today, I'm doing an update on Lucid Air. And this is the new Lucid Air car that we're expecting from Lucid Motors. Guys, it has been rumored that Lucid and Church Hill Capital is going to do a spot merger to go to market. Now, the stock of Churchill Capital has been going crazy. Now, we saw the stock move from in the low $10 per share up to as high as 63 for the day. Yes, as I said, we have seen it move. If we go back a month in this company, we can see it was trading, let's see, a month and a half back out. So in January, we could see it's trading in the low $10 at one point in $9 per share. Now we can see months long, it's been just on a simple up climb. For anyone that was invested earlier in this company, then that's a great pickup for you guys. You're looking at least a good 400 to 500 gains on your investment. Now, for anyone that's trying to go in right now, be careful because at some point we can definitely see some share dilution going on here. Now, it's only a rumor. I've read a few reports, nothing in concrete to let me know the terms of the deal. So it's hard for me to invest in it. Now, again, I didn't personally invest in the company. I have been trying to do some research. I've been trying to see when is the right time to get in. But unfortunately, the stock price has now gone up in the 60s, and I'm not paying like $62 or $63 per share for this company. I'm waiting to see if it could pull back anywhere in the 30s if possible. Very high and likely. We may see a drop today in the mid 50s. Hopefully, for anyone that's trying to get in at that price range, and definitely it is a possibility that you can see this come in the mid 50s for the day. But me personally, once I get more information, as I said, I've been trying hard to find real information to see what's going on, but different sources giving different information. And I hate to encourage any stock until I know for sure what's going on. The more I can read about it, then I'll be more believable in the company. Now, what I do believe in is this car, right? For less than $60,000 US, we're getting 1,000 plus horsepower. We see 500 plus miles. This is amazing for anyone that's considering to go electric. That's on a budget. Then this is a great option because we're seeing a car that could gives us 500 plus miles for less than 70,000 US and give you 1,000 plus horsepower. Now, unless if you don't like the look or if you don't believe in the company quality, then that's the only thing I would say that separates you. But in terms of the price, the mileage range per charge, and also the horsepower, then definitely that's a great buy for anyone that's looking for an electric vehicle. Now, as I said, I looked through a few different sites. I've checked through the Yahoo sites. I've checked through Seek and Alpha. I've checked through Bloomsburg, a few other sites. Not much information that's giving me more intel in the deal. But whoever is planning to invest in this company, just do as much um, research as you can and just take it slow. Again, it's Lucid Motors. It's planning to do an IPO, right? A spot merger, I should say, with Churchill Capital. There has been rumors for the last month and a half. We can see the stock price for Churchill Capital has gained a lot of steam. We can see more attention been going to Lucid Motors. But again, guys, do some research before you invest. We can see the price is dropping. It's now in the 58.50. No, as I said, I think it could definitely go in the mid 50s today. Me personally, I'm not in it yet. I'm hoping to see if it could drop anywhere in the 30s. For the short term, I hate if anyone bought it early. I don't want to discourage anyone, right? But I wouldn't invest in it yet until I see it drops in the mid 30s, if it's possible. Or I'll wait until it's IPO'd and see how the market responds. Now, guys, this is just an update to let you guys know of new opportunities that you may need to want to take an interest in to take a look to see what's going on the market. Now we can see in the past week or two, we can see the roller coaster with Tesla, price going in the 760s, then goes in the 8, and then came back. I think this morning in 750s again. So we can see some shift in the EV market. We see Xpeng, we see NIO. Everyone is trading lower than expected. So maybe this is a great opportunity if everything pans out. Now, again, as I said, I didn't see a firm date and when this spot deal is going to go to market. It's all speculation. But if you guys know, whenever I give any stock for you guys to keep an eye on, normally it flies off. But again, I'm not invested in this one. I'm waiting to, but if the price isn't touch where I want to enter, then I'm definitely not going in. As I said, if it drops in the mid 30s, I'll consider going in. Okay, and risk it from there. But at 50s and 60s, I'm not going to go in. So for anyone that's in it, more power to you. If you're planning to go in and if you want to follow the same on like price point as me, then that's fine as well. But no one is forcing you to invest. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just strictly showing you how I train. This is for information and entertainment purposes only. Now, until next time, guys, if you like what you just hear, please like, share, subscribe. I will be in the market today. I'm back home right now, so I will be creating a few more videos to let you guys know what's going on. Now, hopefully you guys have cashed out of a few bangers that I gave you guys last week and week before in terms of the cannabis market. We saw that Tilray hit the 60s. We saw that Apria hit the 40s. Yeah, some great stuff happened there. So I hope you guys were able to cash out on those. For anyone that did get to cash out, and Clean Spark, I let you guys know like a month back, when it was in the 24, 25, that hey, I'm waiting to sell at 40s. We saw it crosses 40. Guy, if you have a plan, set it automatic so it take the stress out of it. Once it hits that number, it automatically sell for you. So for anyone that was following me in Clean Spark, definitely I let you guys know I was selling at 40 again. This is like my third time selling at 40. So each time it goes high, guys, that's my plan. If it goes high, I have a price in mind that I want to sell. I automatically set it to sell. If it sells, it sells. If it doesn't sell, and if I'm at my desk, I can reassess and then go from there. But we saw the Clean Spot run up from 24 back to 40. Okay, we're able to profit on that. And then more importantly, we saw the QuantumScape as well. I'll let you guys know back in the 40s, 48, 49 again. That says, listen, I'm waiting for this banger to go up. I was able to capitalize and sell again. QuantumScape, I had a few option calls that I had for 51. One was ending in March 19. I got two that was ending on Friday. For 54, I was able to close all those option calls. Now, listen, I have invested in QuantumScape a lot. I've owned shares in the company, but once the market was down, I picked up a few different option prices for option calls, and I was able to close those off last week. Guys, that's what I tell you. When the market goes down, there's opportunity there to be able to edge yourself and be able to profit. You got to take advantage of the different avenues and tools that we have to make money. Now, I hope you guys get to watch this video until the end. As I said, guys, I won't force you to watch the complete videos, but I throw things out in the middle, beginning and the ending, just so everyone is on par. Now, again, if you like what you just hear, please share, like, and comment. Leave your feedback down below so we all could communicate and share what we did and what we learned in the past few months and year. Until next time, guys, peace out and thank you for supporting us. And let's keep this journey going. Peace.